In today's video, I will walk you through how to make pop-up animation in Canva. Go to Videos and open a new video project. Drag your images onto the timeline. We will use 3 images for this tutorial. Next, tap on the text, change the font, then change the color. After that, select the text and go to Animate. Choose Pop and then select Enter. Decrease the speed to make the animation smoother. After that, apply the same effect to the image. Use the Pop Enter animation for the image as well. Continue adding the same effect to all of your images and elements across the project. Once the animations are added, adjust the duration. Set it to 1.5 seconds. Then apply the same duration to all pages. After that, preview the animation to see the final result with the pop-up effects and transitions applied across the entire video. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like the final result.